Yoĩkaine ta mũrata wa gĩtĩ kĩa mbere nĩ wĩhokeku na ngwatanĩro kũrĩ mũndũ. No rĩu kũgerera ũthundũri mũndũ nĩ agĩte na mũrata ũngĩ ũĩkaine ta FRANKIE. FRANKIE athondeketwo nĩ kambuni ya mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu kuuma Dubai ya Preside, kũrĩa ena ũhoti wa gũthaka, kũhũra mũndũrũ na mĩtugo ĩngĩ ya ngui iria imenyeretwo. Tiga kwaga ũhoti wa kũigua kĩndũ gĩkĩnunga, FRANKIE nĩ ngui ĩtaheagwo irio, gũthambio, kũmĩrigita ona kana kũmĩtwara icera, kuona ĩhũthĩraga hinya wa battery mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩtiganĩte.
Be used for agriculture in terms of it can be sent to farms. I know Kenya has a lot of farms, right? So it can go in Kenya and it can survey the crop performance, right? How the soil is doing, how the crops are doing.
FRANKIE nĩ ũthundũri wa kĩguni makĩria mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũhonokia andũ hĩndĩ ya mĩtino ya mwaki, tharĩkĩra cia ITOI na kũndũ kũngĩ ũgwati kũrĩ andũ na ngui iria tũmenyerete.
Situations wherein it is a little risky to send humans or officials to go inside a risky environment, you can send FRANKIE in and it can live stream images what is happening in the area for you.
Mũgarũ na ngui iria imenyeretwo, FRANKIE agathĩkĩtwo mũtambo wa kũhũra mbica, ũndũ ũrĩa ũteithagĩrĩria ũgitĩri iwanja-inĩ cia ndege na cikaro cia mũingĩ.
You have, for example, a fire and you're wondering if there are people left in the fire, or if you're concerned about dangerous, a leak of hazardous chemicals or something like that. FRANKIE can go in and he can identify, not only the individuals that are in danger, but also can give you information about what might be happening with those individuals. Are they moving? Are they going in different places? Without hurting a human getting hurt, and he can easily survive that and come back and give that information to a human being so they can use it for making decisions.
Ena ũritũ wa kilo 6, FRANKIE ekĩragwo hinya wa thitima ta thimũ na ũkorwo na ũhoti wa kũruta wĩra makĩria ma mathaa 24.
Inside FRANKIE we put intelligent artificial intelligence algorithms to do facial recognition, identify people, and be able to report activities.
Athundũri aya moigĩte gũthoma kũhũthĩra FRANKIE ti ũndũ mũritũ, kuona arĩ na ibuku rĩa gũkuonia mĩtaratara ya kũmũhũthĩra.
You can go in, surveil the area, do some patrolling for you, help forest officials, prevent poachers, hunters, also give some live information about how the animals are doing, right, in the parks and areas.
Ũthundũri ũyũ wambĩrĩirie mwaka-inĩ wa 1999 rĩrĩa ngui mũthemba wa robo aibo athundũrirwo, no ũthuthuria makĩria no ũrathiĩ na mbere gũtigĩrĩra wagĩrĩru wa ngui ici nĩ wakinyanĩra na wa kwĩhokwo, na kwa ihinda rĩrĩ gũcemania na FRANKIE bũrũri-inĩ no ta kĩroto.
FRANKIE allows you to perform 24-hour surveillance of any different location and then provide that intelligence to the back-end system, which allows you to analyze it and tell you who did that and when it happened, so you could record it for future activities.
If you have hundreds of FRANKIEs across huge areas, you needn't even have a person sitting and viewing all those cameras. So our algorithm is so intelligent that only if any alerts or threats or incidents are detected, it will automatically send you alerts. So it can be left unmanned. It is very safe. As a company, we also take pride in following ethical and responsible AI frameworks. So we follow that and we ensure that FRANKIE is going unmanned but is safe and secure.
No ũngĩkorwo nĩ ũrenda FRANKIE no ciringi mirioni 10.9.
Can do up to 5 to 6 kilometers. This is a small, cute, indoor plus preventive maintenance dog. This kind of model FRANKIE predominantly indoors, and it can run fast and maybe routine, say, oil pipeline inspection. So that much it can do, but there are bigger dogs also. So it depends on your problem and your use case. So if you want to go into buildings which are on fire, we have fireproof dogs, we have waterproof dogs, we have outdoor resilient robust dogs. So it depends on your use case and the range. From 6 km to 20 km, our dogs can do that for you.
Reporter Kameme TV, Jeta Getao Wawajiko.